Even in today's video we will see how to fix the USB-C docking station not detecting monitor, DisplayPort HDMI not working fix. The fix 1. Perform a full power cycle. Disconnect the docking station from your laptop. Unplug all monitors connected to the dock. Disconnect the dock power adapter from the wall outlet. Now wait at least 60 seconds to allow any stored electrical charge to dissipate. Now reconnect the dock power adapter to the power outlet. Then connect the docking station back to your laptop. And reconnect your monitor one at a time and check if they are detected. Fix 2. Check cable and USB-C port compatibility. First, verify your cables. Use the original USB-C cable supplied with the dock whenever possible. If replacing the cable, use a certified USB-C cable that supports video output, DisplayPort, Alt mode or Thunderbolt. Now replace the HDMI or DisplayPort cables with certified high-speed HDMI or DisplayPort cable if necessary. Now avoid generic charging only USB-C cable as many cannot transmit video signal. Now test the monitor directly. Connect the monitor directly to your laptop built-in HDMI or DisplayPort output. If the monitor works when connected directly, the issue is likely related to the dock, cable or port configuration. Now confirm the USB-C video support. Not all USB-C ports support external display. Now check your laptop documentation to verify that the USB-C port, laptop, DisplayPort, Alt mode or Thunderbolt. Now look for a DisplayPort or Thunderbolt icon next to the port. If your laptop has multiple USB-C port, try connecting to the dock to a different port. Now the fix 3. Update dock driver and firmware. So firstly, update graphics driver. Visit the graphics manufacturer support website. Then Intel driver and support assistant. Then NVIDIA driver download the AMD support. And download and install the largest graphics driver available for your system. And then restart your computer after installation. Now update dock firmware. Visit your docking station manufacturer support page. Search for your specific dock model. Download and install any available. And the dock firmware update and dock driver display link software if required. Now restart your computer once the updates are complete. Fix 4. Adjust display settings in your operating system. So for Windows, press Windows plus P on your keyboard. Select extend or duplicate. Then open setting and system, then display. Now scroll down and click detect under multiple display and wait for Windows to search for connected monitor. Now for macOS user, open the Apple menu and select system setting. Then click display. Now hold down the power key on your laptop, on your keyboard. Now click the detect display button when it appears. Allow macOS to search for connected monitor. Now the fix 5. Test each monitor individually. If multiple displays are connected, isolate the issue by testing one monitor at a time. Disconnect all monitors from the dock. Connect a single monitor and check whether it detected. Now repeat the process using different HDMI or DisplayPort output on the dock and test each monitor separately to identify any fault display cable or port. Goodbye and thanks for watching.